Sorry, it's DJ.
Hey everyone, today I'm heading to Sherghar, a charming village nestled in the heart of interior Punjab. We began our journey early this morning from Lahore, eager to explore its hidden beauty. As we neared our destination, we were surrounded by lush fields and vibrant crops, a truly mesmerizing landscape. We arrived at a tube well, a water source that extracts fresh, cool water from the phreatic zone, making it ideal for irrigation in the fields. We created beautiful memories and had a wonderful time filled with laughter and joy. As the sun set, we began our journey back to Lahore, reflecting on all of the joy and cherished moments this visit had brought us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel vlogs coming your way. Until next time, bye bye.